Yo, guess what we making today on the Yummy Delicious Cooking Show? Some call it plantains, some call it Mr.a, some call it Plantano. Yeah, you just, first you peel it. I peel it already, and yeah, chop it up. Chop it up. Chop, chop. Ah, I dropped one. I said chop, not drop. On TikTok, just for TikTok. I chop, chop. Yeah, man. It's so easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Believe me. Now, you chop it up. You chop it up. Oh, it didn't fall on the floor. Did it fall on the counter? All right. This is going to be easy, guys. So, number one, I peeled the banana. It looked like this before. Some call it banana. Cooked fish and banana. Cooked fish and banana. But some call it Platanos in Espanol, Mr.a. Mr.a is usually when it's a little softer, like this one is soft, right? And it matters how much you cook it too, you know? So, then it's so simple, so easy. I'm gonna take some salt from the Himalayas, pink salt from the Himalayas, the land of the players. Yeah. And the silk rhyme sayers like me, haha. And I'm gonna get a little pimienta. That's pepper, pimienta. Mi esposa say pimiento. Mi esposa. And you know what I say to her in Spanish? Hallelujah! That's to the moon. All right. And then I already put traffic jam. I already put, excuse me, ma'am. I already put some olive oil in here. If I put more, I'm gonna be on that. So I put some olive oil, and then I'm just going in circles, remember? And I put the pan on low, and now I'm gonna put these in here with my potatoes. We're having a very special breakfast today. And now I'm gonna turn the fire up since I'm here, and I'll let you guys know what it's like when it's finished, because it's gonna be yummy, delicious, and that's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So repeat after me. Step one, peel the banana, plantains and plantain. And then number two, chop it up, chop it up. Number three, sal and pimienta, because it's already sweet. You don't gotta put too much ingredients to make it salty and nasty and tart. And then, what you say? Pimienta? Pimiento. Pimiento. For all my Espanol, I get it right. All right? That's a good thing about having a wife. Cough, cough. That she correct you a lot, you know? All right. Oh, I see this bush. I hear it. I hear it. I hear it making noise. It's sizzling. Let's see. Mmm. Yummy, delicious. And you know, I will say this, you stir it around a little bit. You gotta stir it around. And brown, everything you brown and serve. I have potatoes in here too, as you can see. Potato. Some people like to argue over tomato, potato, tomato, tomato. It don't really matter, it's the same thing. Why else we go in circles? I ain't talking about nobody in specific, you know what I'm saying? Cough, cough. Yeah, Make it sing old Negro spirituals. All right. Oh God, I mixed them up. I made something. I just made an invention. Plantain and potato soup. I mean, something like that. Okay, don't worry. It looks better than it. Is that right? Tastes better than it looks. Yeah, it tastes better than it looks. See you later. Peace. Okay, the food is ready. You know what? I made a very good mistake. I made something new. I chopped up plantains, right? Plantanos, Mr.a, right? And I put them in there with potato, and I mixed them up by mistake and kept, instead of keeping them separated. And this is what you get. Yummy, delicious. Mr.a cooking show. Yeah, bon appetit. Time to eat. I would taste it, but it might be too hot. I'm making eggs too, cheese eggs. Yep, again. All right, see y'all later, man. Hasta luego. Peace, hotep. Assalamu alaikum. Shalom. One love.